Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2018 Ford Fusion 2.0. So right now the problem is with the AC, not the AC, but the air doesn't blow out as strong. So right now I'm gonna show you the problem. So I'm gonna turn this to max, and the air only comes out to this far and it's very weak. It's blowing very weak. So I'm putting my camera right next to it, and you can, it's very little bit of air and it's not strong enough. The AC work, hot and cold work, the mold for the phase, the feet, the windshield, everything works. I check everything is fine. It's just that the air blowing out very weak, and I found the problem. So I found the problem is inside the blow motor. The cabin air filter is completely clogged, so that's why there's not enough air coming out, because it's all clogged. The blow motor is not strong enough to push all that air out. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put in your pry tool here, pry this part out, pry the vent out. Now for the glove box, you're gonna take out the glove box. There's 2 bolts on top right here, 7mm, one on the bottom here, one on the bottom here, and then once you take those 4 bolts out, you can take out the glove box like this. It's all clips. You can see it's all clips. And then for the cabin air filter, it's here. So you're gonna push this tool lock to the side. This one I pushed it kind of hard, so it's kind of half broken, so I gotta glue it later. You're gonna pull the door down, and you can see the cabin air filter is completely clogged. So I'm gonna have this on full max on the face. There you go, on the face. Put it right next to it. It's not strong air coming out, so I'm gonna take this out, and you're gonna see. Ooh, it's nasty. Oh, it's stuck. So remember the arrow where the airflow is? You're gonna go the same direction. Dude, this thing is stuck. Ugh, it's nasty. You can hear the air, and I can feel it coming out very strong already. So you can see it's completely clogged. Ooh, so much better. Now you can hear the blow motor blowing out very strong air. You can see it's completely clogged. Check the inside, clean the inside out too. Ooh, look at all that. That's why the blow motor is not strong enough to blow the air out. I have my new one here. Now this is the part number, my new one. Now I'm gonna turn off the car. I'm gonna clean the inside of the cabin air filter. Use my plier. Ooh, what the heck is this? See, people, check your cabin air filter every year. If it's clogged, change it. This is what you're breathing in. You're gonna have cancer. This is disgusting.
I never seen that one.
Nasty. Look at that. Ugh. It's all clogged. Everything is inside is clean now. So I'm gonna put in my new cabin air filter. There you go. Make sure you go with the original position, airflow down. I'm just keeping it the same. Some people say, oh, the blow motor blow up this way, not down. Well, I'm just going with the what the manufacturer does. So there you go. Oh, it's still okay, no problem. This side locked too. There you go. Now I'm gonna test it again. Turn on the car. There you go. take a second. Oh, that's wrong. Climate. There you go. It's gonna take a second real quick. Low, medium, high. Woo-wee! It's strong now. Maybe the blow motor might be bad too, since it's been clogging it and it's restricting the blow motor from spinning at full speed. Could be going bad soon, but I'm not worried about that. All I care about is the customer complaint. There's not enough strong air coming out. The AC still works, it's still cold, but since it was clogged, so there's not enough air coming out of the vent. But now it's very strong on both sides. Yep. Okay, now I'm just gonna put the glove box back. Turn off my AC. So I got my glove box in already. I'll tighten down my 4-bolt, 2 here, 2 on the bottom. I'm gonna put the air vent back. There you go. That's good. I'm gonna wipe everything so dirty with all that dirt and stuff. Check the glove box. It's working. That's good. I'm gonna check it one more time. It's gonna take a second. There you go. Medium, medium, low, low, yes. Medium, that's good. And then on high, strong now. The smell is so much fresher now. It's a lot colder. So for this one, guys, it has no problem with the hot and cold. Everything is fine. The mold for the face, the feet, the windshield, everything is working. It's just that the complaint was there's not enough strong air coming out of the AC. So when I checked the cabin air filter, all of that stuff was in there. So check it every year. That's it. So if you guys have any question, comment down below. If you guys new to my channel, please help me click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, just comment, ask me anything. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.